Hey everybody, BAxter here, your out-of-the-box lender with your Saturday strategy. I am out here walking the dogs. There they are, there's Cosmo at least. And for some reason thinking about the new tax law changes that came into effect here recently. So I wanted to share with you the 3 changes that you need to be aware of if you're not already, and the 2 things that stayed the same that were being talked about. But before I do that, just a quick little disclaimer, and that is that this is not tax advice, should not be construed as tax advice. You and your clients should definitely consult with your CPA or tax professional on all this. This is just my opinion about these changes and my interpretation. So the first one, and this is the most publicized, is that the mortgage interest deduction has been reduced from $1 million to $750,000, meaning that any mortgage above $750,000 cannot be fully deducted. So it doesn't mean that if you have a mortgage above $750,000 that you can't deduct it. It means that if it is above that, you can only deduct the portion up to $750,000. So that's the first major change. The second one is that no longer can you deduct home equity loan interest. So that deduction went away, even if it's for home improvement. And the third one that went away that was not extended was that you can no longer deduct mortgage insurance. So that's one that went away. Now, whether or not these changes are really going to affect the housing market a whole lot has yet to be seen. Such a major life decision. My personal opinion is I don't think it's going to affect it a whole lot, that someone's going to have a little bit less of a tax deduction buying a house when they have to make a decision as far as moving, whether it's for a job or relocating or whatever it is. But that's just my humble opinion. Now, the 2 things that didn't change that were being talked about are the deduction for second homes. So people can still deduct the interest for a vacation home under the new plan. And the other one is that they kept the capital gains exemption at living in the home for 2 years out of 5 as your primary residence. They were talking about increasing that to 5 years out of 8, which would have affected a lot of people and might have affected listings. So these are the major changes and non-changes in the tax law. If you have any questions, give us a call in the office. Don't forget that we do home loans. My name is BAxter. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks for watching.